Hello from Antigua and Barbuda. Yep, that is the flag of Antigua and Barbuda. That is waving with the wind here at Dickenson Bay Beach. It is 2:15 p.m. and I have 3 hours left to explore Antigua and Barbuda, and the sun is finally back up, which means that I am going in for another swim here at Dickenson Bay, but this time on the other end of the beach. And it is going to be a nice swim. I see here the water looks so stunning and amazing, and I'm here right in front of some resort, Sandals that is, and there are lots of sunbeds along the whole way here as I was walking. So very popular area it seems. I'm assuming also the cruise ship are coming here as well with the tours of those that have booked. Yep, here is how it looks like on this 7th of January 2025. And I have 3 hours left, as I mentioned, to explore, and I realized that I have now 1 hour. It will take me 1 hour to go back, so I think I will not have time to go to the further beaches up north, as this is on the west coast of Antigua. And here it is on the bottom, but there is some kind of seaweed on the bottom as well. I can feel it in my legs, and the clouds are up again now. But yeah, it has been so fun to explore Antigua today, and 3 of the beaches that I have visited so far: Fort James, Runaway Beach, and Dickenson Bay Beach. That is this one right here. All right, so ready for a swim? Yes, I am. Ready, set, and go! Amazing. Brilliant. 27.2 degrees Celsius in the sea and 29 degrees Celsius in the air. And it was a mix of sunshine and clouds today. But I'm so happy I have gotten a few photos with the sun, which is amazing. Alright, so with this view of Dickenson Bay Beach, it is time to wrap up this episode. And you have also seen the beach as I was watching by before this segment, and I will be watching out as well of the beach soon. So yes, to be fair, I think this one is the worst so far, because there are a lot more people compared to Runaway Beach and Fort James, which were basically empty. So yes, that's a wrap. Greetings from Antigua and Barbuda and Dickenson Bay Beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.